This is, I call him Charlie. You stay there. This is Charlie. He's the orange boy. He's the orange boy. Yeah, he's really friendly. He's a lover boy. Somebody's showing my ankles. What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Hi, Squeaky. This is Pink Girl from Zena's litter. She's a cuddle bug. She's a cuddle bug. Yeah, I got a cuddle bug too. For sure. Super sweet baby. Always happy. She's like Edo. You're like Grandpa? Always happy. Not much phases that one either, eh? I already did you. What about Red? Red's a little crazy sometimes. He gets the sillies. You'll get the sillies. As you do. But he likes to cuddle too, so it's good. Right? Hi. I think you were just up here. Yeah, you were just up here. She always wants all the attention. This is Red. He's going down too. Whoa. Who's this one? Probably yellow. Oh, it's green. Yellow and green cause trouble sometimes. This one likes to be spoon-fed, hand-fed his dinners. A little needy like that. He eats a lot. Yeah, he eats a lot. He eats a lot. He sure do. Mr. Green. You're Mr. Green. Who else do we have? We already did that one. Oh, the Mr. Blue. He was one of the smallest. Now look at him. He loves mush. Mr. Blue loves mush. He's growing really nice hair. Hi, I saw that. Yeah, he's a sweetheart. Whoa! He's jumping. He jumps so fast. Ah! Not my ankles. Yeah, this guy's really sweet. Very sweet boy, this one. Yes, you're a very sweet boy. Yeah, we're going to go back upside down too. Whoa! Whoa! Oh boy, all falling down. Who's the jumping boy? I think that was Charlie. I already did you. I did this one and I did this one. Who's this one? This is dark green. Oh boy, dark green. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Mm-hmm. This guy is just chill. Middle of the road, just hanging out. Doesn't usually start anything. No, you're just a good boy. Got a very gorgeous head. Yes, you do. You like scratches. You like scratches. Yes, you do. Where's in there? Teeth. Oh my God, it's teeth. I'm going upside down and backwards. Go. Who's turning my stool? Oh, this one is the troublemaker, the whole entire clan, and she's ginormous. This is yellow. This is the yellow kid. She eats and eats and eats and stirs the pot. Yes, she does. She stirs the pot. Did you got your feelings? He got his feelings hurt. He got knocked over. This pup is exceptional in all levels. Yes, she is. She would make an amazing obedience dog. Guess what? Guess what? Down she goes. Whoa. Whoa. Who's this one? If you want my strings, you can't tell my strings. Oh, and there's this little purple. This is purple from Zena's litter. Oh, I woke you up. Oh, sweetie. You having a good sleep? She's quiet. Just hangs out, minds her business. She's a good kid. She's a good puppy. Yeah, toe beans. There she is. You were sleepy. Were you sleepy? I woke you up. I did. I woke you up. Upside down and backwards. Oh, this is ow! That's my big toe. Stop it. Oh, there comes Zena. She's gonna wake everybody up. Oh, and what do we say about Zena? What do we say about you? This is Zena. And she is the mom of 9 of these puppies. And her mom and dad are Nola and Edo. And she needs all the attention. How does that sound? Is that a good description? This is Lime, Nala's puppy. She is a long coat. As you can see, she's a very fluffy kid. She's very laid back. Extremely laid back. Very furry. Very furry baby. You're sure very furry. Hi. We got Mr. Brown. He's a Xena boy. With a gray collar. Makes no sense, but that's the way it works around here. Mass confusion on all levels. Here's one of the escape artists who's naughty. So as part of the reason we had to revamp our whelping box, because he was always escaping, him in pink from Xena's litter. Who else did? Yellow did. Did one more. And green did. We usually do. We're gonna go down. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's from Xena. No. This is my Nala pink. Nala pink litter. The pink collar. How are you? Did I wake you up? This is Pink. Pinky, pinky, pinky. What are you doing, Red? I know. You're gonna go down too. Oh, did we get everybody? We got all the girls. We got all the girls. Oh, there we go. Who are you? We did you. This is purple and